Ulster Bank has been supporting Maxflow for over 20 years, and in recent years we have been experiencing huge growth, and Ulster Bank has been instrumental. We are the largest manufacturer of pressure washers and generators in the whole of the UK and Ireland.
My name is Leona McNichol. I'm a Senior Relationship Manager in Commercial Banking. The customer service that we have been able to provide Maxflow as the business has grown has helped them exponentially.
In 2024 we completed an MBO and we had a multi-million pound support package from Ulster Bank to help us achieve that. Ulster Bank has also been key in bringing products from NatWest to us as well. We were the first company in Northern Ireland to receive the new trade finance facility. We have used that quite a lot. I'm excited for more growth. We have exported into France, Italy, Holland, South America. Without the support of Ulster Bank, not a lot of this could have happened.
Through our customer relationship model, getting to know the business has really deepened our relationship with Maxflow. It has helped allow them to trust us as a bank, helped us to know their business and to be able to identify opportunities to help their business grow.
I know I have the support of Ulster Bank and NatWest to support Maxflow in making those big decisions to continue our growth even further.